tremble. They look at the map with a narrow eye. They call us tiny, but that's a lie. If we are small, then tell me the name of the nations that you praise and claim. If Eritrea is tiny, then what are they? Listen to the numbers I have to say. Oh, Eritrea, standing so tall, the Red Sea giant, never to fall. From the port of Massawa to the highland breeze, the gatekeeper of the seven seas, humble in heart, but the winner's soul. From 91 to 26, we're in control. Next time you speak, learn the facts today. 6 times the size of Israel, I say. 3 times Switzerland, mountains of white. 3 times Holland, shining so bright. Twice the size of Ireland's green, equal to England, the best you've seen. So if we are tiny, what are they? The truth is out, it's a brand new day. Humble people, people of grace, dignity written on every face. In 1991, we took the lead. In 2026, we plant the seed. A winner yesterday, a winner right now. To no other power shall we ever bow. Eritrea, standing so tall, the Red Sea giant, never to fall. From the port of Massawa to the highland breeze, the gatekeeper of the seven seas, humble in heart, but a winner's soul. From 91 to 26, we're in control. The strategic heart, the Red Sea pulse, 1919 when, in 20